We're back.
We're back and we're on crack.
Yes.
And I tickled my nutsack.
What are we doing today? We're gonna paint the valve cover, intake manifold. What else are we gonna paint?
What you gonna do? Fucking
Some other stuff. We're gonna refresh it.
Lilies?
Yeah. We got some paint. Got some VHT gold. You know. We're gonna go for the Randy colorway. Fully gonna copy him. Don't even worry about it. Got some silver here for the the water neck and the intake manifold and all that fun stuff. Got some Scotch Brights. Hopefully it's Scotch Brights.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just a little rough.
Got the bootleg ones. Fine. We got the Franks, not the Scotch Brite.
Yeah, it'll be all good.
You get triple what you get for the fucking Scotch Brite.
Yeah, exactly. Like that's not on the budget. Like my $4 socket set. Why would you spend $50 when you can spend $4? You know.
Well. Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, so I figure pull the coil packs out. Yeah, that's a minute. That'll take us 10 minutes, and we'll lay some gold on there. Weather's pretty cold, so it's what you want for when you're painting. It'll be good.
Before you spray it, you want to put your cans in the freezer.
Yeah.
Because you want them to be cold while you're spraying, so the paint flows better.
Yeah, you want to lay it down chunky so it covers. We gotta
just a tip.
Tape this off too, because I'm not trying to.
How the fuck are you taping that off?
Yeah, I don't know.
You can just Scotch Brite it off.
That's true.
We must pay homage to him.
Head looks pretty good. Looks pretty
some
clean.
good head.
Yeah, some good head. So it's promising. Scotch Brite here. We're gonna start.
Bootleg Scotch Brite. It's Frank Brite.
Frank Brite. We're gonna start scotching it up. We're gonna brighten it up, frank it up.
Scotch it up.
We're gonna frank it up, and then we're gonna lay some gold on here.
Yeah, make sure you scotch this thing.
Yeah, 100%.
So when you lay the paint on it, it's on there nice. Look at the techniques.
That's like all you really need.
But he's been beaten for years with that technique.
We might need to get the same toothbrush I used to clean my bathroom for the inside of the smudge and shit in there.
Oh, yeah.
Don't fire your fucking fingers on it, because you'll make low spots, and then you'll see your fingerprints in the paint. If you can look at my hood, it's a prime example of that. So yeah, just don't do that.
Isn't that what you're doing? You're literally doing that.
No, I'm using right here, nice flat surface.
But then you get 3 like logs.
Yeah, either way it's fucked. You should have a pad, but I don't think it matters because we're not really going that deep with the Scotch Brite. So.
All right, fire ass Cinny. Now. Boy toy named Troy used to live in Detroit. You fucking with some wet ass pussy. Get a bucket and a mop for this wet ass pussy. Something wet for this wet ass pussy. Beat it up. See those fucking transitions? When I ride the dick, I spell my name. There's some hoes in this house. There's some hoes in this house. There's some hoes in this. You fucking with some wet ass pussy. There's some hoes in this house. Okay, fade out. Some Casey Neistat shit. Oh, now the camera's over here. Wah. My anaconda don't want none unless you got bonds, Hans. Boy toy named Troy used to live in Detroit. Big dope dealer money, he was making some coin. Shootouts with the law, but he lived in a palace. Fuck me. Oh, fucking shit song. Okay, comment below if you guys like my Cinny. Oh, I'm fucking out of breath now. If you like my Cinny better than Noah's, yeah, if you like that better, I'll take over the Cinnies from now on. Vocals and cinematography by Adam. Yeah, let me know because I thought it was pretty fire while I was doing it.
I don't know if I can keep up with your level of cinematics either.
You don't know? That's okay.
You're telling the story, you know?
What about my speed ramps?
Yeah.
They're fucking quick.
I don't know how you do it, man.
Quick.
Like some Birdman shit, like it's all one shot.
I know. It's kind of insane. And then you see transitions like, wah! And then all of a sudden the camera's like, wah! And then
like,
all of
you
a
can
sudden the
use
camera's
any
like...
song and you're not getting copywritten for it. Like,
Yeah,
that's
exactly. Like you just use some like beat, and whereas I'm like actually playing the whole song with
Yeah.
lyrics.
Okay, so we're taking a little break from Scotch Brite. Been at it for about 45 minutes. We're gonna spray paint the valve cover washers with this duply color engine enamel, silver. You know, little refresh. Who are we, fucking FES back now? I don't know. Yeah.
Man, fuck. I was gonna use that shit. Just like that.
Really getting the job done, you know?
Oh, it reeks nice and good.
Smells good. It's good sniff that. Smells good. Should I need to locate the wax and grease remover. It's in here somewhere.
Fuck.
It's in that clear spray bottle. It was on the ground like 10 months ago. Alright, so we just cleaned it with some wax and grease remover. We got it prepped as good as we could. We were going to use the air compressor to clean out all the crevasses, but shit's broken just like every other tool in this garage. So, but half the time we do shit jank is because the tool we were going to use to do it proper is fucking broken.
Shake, 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 senora. Shake your body right.
We apologize ahead of time to Joel for all the overspray it's going to get on this.
Joel, sorry about your car.
Storage fee.
Yeah, there might be some paint on your new rotary in there. Sorry about it. Senora. Shake your body right.
Shout out to Sean for making us this sign. It's honestly had so many uses. One, it lets people know we're filming.
Yeah.
It also kept rain out of the engine bay when we took the hood off the SR. Also, it'll protect Uncle Joel's car.
Yeah.
So like, we're never running out of, it's a multi-purpose tool.
It's the Swiss Army of signs.
Probably the best tool we have. I mean, we can also use it to make sure this is ready to spray on the back. So many uses for that sign.
Meow, 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 meow.
Fuck, like an orange. Hey, that would be cool.
Yeah.
New second coat, another light one.
It's beginning to look a lot like gold. Nice. I'm really good at shaking the car. It was brought to you by Perrier. Spicy water.
Okay, I'm gonna paint the coil pack cover silver. I think. I wasn't gonna run this, but I'm gonna paint it silver, see how it looks, and then probably run it because it'll probably look half decent. So. This paint always looks so fucked when it's wet. I don't even know if this is for plastic. No, this is fucking engine enamel. Probably want to use stick. We'll find out. We will find out. Not half bad, I don't think. Last coat, lay it on tick. So that's like 5 coats. Looks pretty good. We're just gonna use the rest of the can. We got a little bit left, and yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Pretty fired up, you know. What are you saying about that? I don't think I missed anything. A little dusting over the top, you know. I think it's good now. Right on. $22 can of paint.
Wow. Right on. Oh, little product placement.
Mint, dude. Coil pack cover actually turned out half decent. So maybe like another coat on this, and then that'll be done. Yeah, so we'll wait for that to dry, then we'll probably slap it on. I gotta get a new valve cover gasket from Uncle Joel, maybe. We might be able to reuse this one. Might just change it because. Slap this on. Then the next thing we're gonna do on the SR before it goes back into the car is probably paint the intake manifold. So we'll pull it off, separate it in two, and then just spray paint it that same silver on the coil pack cover. The water neck will get painted silver, resealed, new thermostat. Put the OEM turbo on, and then we'll slap it in the car. Might relume the harness. So yeah, stay tuned for all that shit. We got a little bit of content coming on the SR. Then we'll slap it in and we'll be fucking making some suit tutus, you know? Right arm. So let us know what you think of the gold. Let us know your favorite valve cover color. We might even send out a sticker to you. We might pick our favorite comment or a random comment and send you a sticker. We might. Sent out some giveaways. People never got them. You know, Ask Canada Post what was going on. They were like, we don't know what's going on. So, yeah, we'll try. We'll try and stay on top of it. It's hard to do every single video because we're out here uploading twice a week. But, yeah, fuck it. We'll try it. Comment your favorite valve cover color and we'll send you a sticker. Maybe. Put small writing under the screen.
32% chance.
Yeah, fuck. But yeah, anyways, comment that, subscribe. We got 15.5k subs now, so thanks for subscribing. And we're on the road to 10 million K. We're not stopping yet, you know? We've been at it for, I think, almost 2 years now. I don't even know.
Making terrible progress.
I've lost track, but yeah.
Shut the fuck up, man.